Hi guys, Kevin here. So today we are going to discuss probability theory and lattice models part 4. An asset is worth 100 today, and then it will be worth 90, 100 or 110 tomorrow. So the keyword here is if the no arbitrage price for an at the money call option is struck at 100 is 2. So it means over here means K is 100. Then the call option at the money call option is 2, means that at the money means C naught equals to 1 over 1 plus R times expectations of tomorrow's price. And since the interest rate is 0, then we can just ignore this, right? Put it as 1. And then this is equals to 2. All right? So this kind of question is trinomial question. So instead of our previous question, which only have 2 branches, now it has 3 branches. So let's get into it. 100, 110, 100, and 90. So for the call option over here, it will be worth 110 minus 100, which is $10. This one is 100 minus 100, which is $0. And then the call option, if the price drops to 90, will be 0. Okay, so let's solve what is the risk neutral probability for this call option. So let's get into the formula. C naught equals to expectations of C1 equals to 10 times P star, which is the risk neutral probability for the call option that is worth $10, plus 0 times Q star plus 0 times 1 minus P star minus Q star. Okay, since the both of it is 0, so we can just put 0 and 0. So over here, 2 equals to 10 P star. So P star is equals to 0.2. Okay. Then the question is, what is the no arbitrage price for a call option struck at 105? So we just change the K from 100 to 105. And then we just repeat the process. So C0 equals to expectation of C1 is equals to, now it is 110 minus 105, right? Times P star plus 100, right? Minus 105 times Q star plus, this is plus, yeah, 90 minus 105 times 1 minus P star minus Q star. Okay, so over here is 5 times P star. P star we get is 0.2, right? Plus, okay, 100 minus 105. So this means that the call option is now worthless, or it is 0, plus 0 as well. So the new call option price is 1. So this is the answer for question number 6.